Have you been driving for years without accidents, yet find yourself paying ever-increasing car insurance premiums? Do you think it's unfair for good drivers who rarely have accidents to have to pay such high costs? Where there's unfairness, there's room for innovation. Introducing Good Driver Mutuality, or GDM for short. GDM is not insurance, it's a mutual aid platform. If one member's car gets into an accident, the repair cost is shared among all members. If you don't have any accidents, apart from a small contribution to help others, the rest of the money is saved and stays in your bank account. Some members can save up to 40% compared to traditional insurance. Mutual aid isn't a new concept, it has existed in communities for ages. And GDM leverages new technologies, including AI, to make mutual aid more efficient, transparent, fair, and cost-effective. What incidents are eligible for community sharing? Here's the list. Collisions, natural disasters, theft, vandalism, or fire, glass damage, and transportation subsidies while your car is being repaired. How much does GDM charge? Based on your driving profile and car condition, we provide a quote. Initially, you only need to pay 20% of this quote as a service fee. The mutual aid cycle is 6 months. The remaining 80% of the quote, which is called the pledge amount, stays in your bank account to share repair costs for other members' vehicles. How can GDM help you save money? First, less operational costs. Our proprietary app uses innovative AI technologies to cut costs, reducing operational expenses to 20% compared to 40% for traditional insurance. Second, less repair costs. Avoid costly dealership repairs by choosing from our network of partner collision repair shops. GDM partners with over 5,000 vetted repair shops nationwide. Our collision repair shop partners provide our members with a national lifetime warranty on repairs. Our partners utilize quality alternative parts that will reduce repair costs while returning your vehicle to pre-accident condition with guaranteed repairs. Third, more rewards. Members can earn cash referral rewards by inviting good drivers to join. The more you share, the more you earn. Become an affiliate and reap more rewards. In summary, GDM integrates cutting-edge technology, cost savings, and exceptional service to offer a powerful alternative to traditional automotive insurance. Join us today, save on car expenses, and contribute to safer roads for everyone.